If you want to be a great superintendent, if you want to be great at it, you can't walk by stuff that look out of place. If it doesn't look in place, it's out of place. We got the news that we were getting a Solheim Cup a little bit later than normal. Usually it's about 3 to 4 years out. We got it about 1.5 years, almost 2 years. So quickly put things into motion.
Been spending a lot of time. We did some renovations, changing things up, thinking about, especially with this beautiful lake line in the place, opening up some tree lines and things so you really enjoy the view.
Right now, it's managing all of the volunteers. Our large staff already just doubled, tripled in that size, so it's making sure that we're getting every square inch covered, ready, perfect for camera, perfect for the golfers.
It was a really, really dry, hot summer, so we were really grinding, just not trying to go backwards and lose any grass, on top of still trying to do small detail works to improve the golf course.
We went ahead and did some of our capital improvements, not because of the tournament, but we were able to get a new irrigation system, which was fantastic. And then it was a race to get everything healed from all that construction, then to get everyone together for the biggest thing in sports with women. But all the little small details is what we're doing, because my team, our team here at RTJ got us through the summer, which again was, can't say it enough, was the toughest summer that I can remember in my career.
We always want to take care of, bunkers, greens, make sure everything's perfect so nothing's ever wrong for the players. No bad lies, no bunkers, nothing wrong on greens. Then there's also the spectator standpoints, all the beds, all the plant material, how it's going to look for people coming in and seeing our property. We want to impress upon them the best we can, put the best product out there.
Scott's built an amazing culture here. We have fun all the time, but when it's time to turn it on, we know it's go time.
He gives us our space, lets us manage, and that's one of the great things about it, training us to become better superintendents eventually. Everything down to the tail end of a rope line is that detail needs to get done. It's training us to have that high level of vision.
It makes us learn how to direct people to look for things that need done, really show initiative. Like, he doesn't need to tell you everything that needs done. You should see it, learn to see it, learn to direct the crew, and I appreciate that. I think that's a cool way of running things. It really helps us learn and hopefully progress to a superintendent ourselves.
We've been really jazzed about it, inside, down here at the shop, at the club. We got some seriousness because we got high standards here, and I hold them to those standards daily, but we have fun with it.